What's the story, lads and lassies? It's Rory. I'm just bringing you another episode of learning Adobe Premiere Pro CS6 during COVID. So I have advanced editing recent project already made. So if you don't know how to make a project, it's clearly just press the new project button. But we're just going to jump right in. I have some clips already loaded up that we're going to be using for this video. So I'm just gonna add 2 clips to the timeline. So my bad. You know what? Okay. So I'm just gonna actually talk about targeting specific tracks in the timeline. So right now you can see that none of our tracks are actually selected. So we're just gonna target audio track 1 and video track 1. And we'll just elongate this. Press the period key. Okay. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is a 3-point edit. So for a 3-point edit, it says in the name that you need 3 points. So this requires either 2 ins and 1 out, or 2 outs and 1 in. So for this clip, we're going to say, I want the in point to be when he says, let me satisfy you. 1 second in. And then the end is going to be, you know, just right before. So beauty. So we're going to set the out point there. Now, so then we're going to need to have the third in or the third out. So I would like the in point to be, you know what? Yeah, right here. So I'm going to press I. That's saying this is where we want our in point. So then we're going to use either the overwrite button, or we're just going to press the period key. And depending on where you actually want the clip to go. So what if we were to, yeah, no, that's fine. So in and out points can be placed on clips in the media browser, the source panel, or in the timeline itself. So just say we're gonna add, how long is this clip? 22 seconds. And it's just him diving off into some water. And the duration of this looks very, very short. So we're gonna say it's what? 12 seconds. So a replace edit is pretty simple. It's one keyboard modifier, and it's going to be the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. So if I were to just drop it into the program panel, it will override where that clip or where the timeline playhead is in the timeline. There we go. Wow. So since this clip was only 12 seconds, it only takes up 12 seconds of this, and there's the other 10 left. So if we were to draw that back, speed it up a little bit, we don't have time to kill here. I'm trying to kill some time. Okay, and you know what, that looks pretty strange, so we're just going to keep that. We've already talked about targeting specific tracks. So linking and unlinking audio is something that I'd like to touch on. As you can see with this clip that we've added, yeah, it's after coming with like 5 audio tracks. So if we were just to right click this, right under enable it just says unlink, so that unlinks the audio, and then we're able to select and delete the audio separately from the video itself. I'm just going to remove all of those, give it a quick Control S for a save. Another thing I'd like to talk to you about is roll and ripple deletes. So roll, we'll go roll first, or ripple deletes first. So ripple deletes would be, let me just add this, and I'll just say V, move this one out here, and we can either do right click and, alright, there's 3 ways you can do this. Delete the clip, right click and ripple delete. That was Control Z twice. Or you can right click, do ripple delete, all seem to have Control Shift Z is redo, just to let you know. Roll and ripple edit. So we're on roll, rolling edit. No, we want ripple B. We want to ripple edit something. So with the ripple edit tool, you see that we have a yellow trimming guy. And on the left hand side of the program panel, it's going to show you the last frame of the clip on the left and the first frame on the clip on the right. So it will reduce all that down, and you see it'll ripple delete that. So you know we actually want just to keep the, we want it all the way back to, yeah, this, the 10-minute, boom, ripple delete right there, baby. So then a roll, or yeah, rolling's next. Rolling edit tool, right? So we're just gonna put that clip back just so we can demonstrate with this bit of clip. So the rolling edit tool is just gonna take, it's gonna add media that it still has to either the left clip or the right clip, so the starting clip or the ending clip. And since these are both the same clip, we're just gonna roll it back to about here. And you see that the clip has actually gained. So if we were to play that, it actually brings it back the whole way. And then if we were to just go use the ripple tool, or you know, Alt backspace also does a ripple delete, which I just did there. So, ooh, okay. So that's the roll and ripple edits. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is just making subclips. So Alexio's hitting the water is all I want. So here, and you just go up to clip, up on the ribbon menu up the top, make subclip. And the subclip is just going to append dot subclip, whatever number it is. We're just going to call it subclip 1 dive. So, and that's okay, excellent. So that's just 22 seconds, or 17 seconds? 17 seconds long. And yeah, we're able to add that. Oh, also, you're able to just control, click. So on a Mac, it's going to be command, click and drag, but on Windows, it's just going to be a control, click and drag. And that'll make a subclip of anything you have in, oh, I don't want to say anything you have, but, so what if we were to go, hey, you want a subclip of this? 31 seconds, it does the whole thing. So this just takes the 22 seconds of the in and outs. It's strange that it didn't do it for this, even though I had the in and out marked. But yeah, that's how you make subclips. And yeah, I hope that you've gotten a bit from like these quote unquote advanced video editing techniques from me. I know I have, it's just it's so I can reiterate them and try to fully understand the 3-point edit, replace edit, targeting specific tracks that you're able to actually just put clips into. So what I did there was pretty simple. I selected or enabled track 2. Oh, and now it won't show. Okay. Okay, you get the idea. Enabled, disabled, enabled, disabled, enabled. And we've linked audio tracks and video tracks and unlinked them. So say we actually have these unlinked, we want to link them back. Can we do that? Need a double click. Shift. So that was a shift click just to select the two, and we can link them back together. We've looked at roll and ripple edits. Ripple deletes are also alt backspace or alt delete. And yeah, we've looked at how to make some subclips. So I hope you've got something from this. I know I have. And yeah, Gurmila Mahagut, and thanks for watching. Give us a like, subscribe if you liked it, and hopefully I'm bringing more videos your way. Thank you.